At Hostetter Auctioneers, we want to make your online auction experience the best it can be. And because we know that for some of you, this might be your first time participating in an online auction. So, to make things easier, we've created this resourceful tutorial video. In this video, we'll cover how to place an online bid. As you enter the Hostetter Auctioneers online auction website, you'll notice different ways that you can search for a particular auction or a particular item. When you hit the drop-down tab, you can see various categories of auctions currently being offered by Hostetter Auctioneers. To the right is a search box where you can type in a specific item. I'll type in the word tools. Over here is a drop-down tab that allows you, if need be, to refine your search within various types of auctions. When done, you simply hit search, and then the website will display the current auctions that include items that match your search. Our search turns up 3 auctions that contain tools. For the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to go back and browse all categories, and now you'll see all the auctions available right now from Hostetter Auctioneers. To enter an auction, move your cursor above the auction thumbnail picture, like this, and click. The first thing you'll see is a very important page containing the details about that particular auction, including the usual when, where, and how the auction is being conducted. Scrolling down the page, you get even more detailed information, including news about featured items, the location of merchandise up for sale, information on the format of the sale and how bids are gathered, and what percentage you'll pay as a buyer's premium. In addition, you can find out when a preview might be scheduled, along with when the auction ends and when items need to be picked up. Clicking the View Lots button will then allow you to view all the items up for bid in this particular auction. Next, we're going to start the registration process by clicking Register for this auction. While it's true that you can browse the items without registering, if you're thinking about bidding, you'll need to register for this and every auction that you want to participate in. You'll use the same username and password information that you chose when you set up your account with Hostetter Auctioneers. If you haven't created an account yet, you must do that as well before you can register for an auction. And, if need be, you could start that process by clicking the green Create an Account button down below if you haven't done that yet. When done, click the Sign In button. The next thing you'll see is this registration approval screen. You can head back to the auction you were looking at by clicking Back to Catalog. Once back to the auction catalog, there are a number of viewing options to make it easy for you to browse the items and find what you're looking for, including how you want your screen set up. In a line listing like this, or change to a grid format by clicking the grid option. You can also customize your viewing by selecting how many items to display on each page. Other convenient advantages include the ability to skip to the next page by clicking the next arrow. Additional search functions that help you navigate through an auction catalog are the ability to type in a lot number, that's this number listed here in the upper right-hand corner, use keywords, and then over here to the right, a go to a page function to make getting back to where you were easy. Okay, so let's bid. I know from a previous search there's an item on page 13 that interests me. Once I'm on the page, I'll scroll down to the gas generator that had caught my attention earlier. On the item listing, we can see the current high bid, how much time is left in the auction, the middle square shows you the minimum amount that you can offer for the next bid, and then a place to enter your bid. Enter any amount you feel comfortable paying as long as it's greater than the minimum next bid. By entering 40, the computer will keep raising my bid up to that amount if and when others bid against me. Finally, click Place Bid. Now, just accept the terms and conditions and click Submit Bid again. At this point, a message reiterating my maximum bid and confirming the fact that I'm the high bidder appears. Now, wasn't that easy? Hostetter Auctioneers thanks you for your interest in the online auction process. Remember, for more information, you can always call 1-800-875-2437 or simply visit shauctions.com.